Hello, hello, hello. I am Terry B. Jones coming to you live on today with another marketing strategy to grow your brand, your reach, and your revenue. And I have this big window in my house, and the sun is just shining through like crazy. And I've been trying to get the perfect spot, but look like every time I move, the sun follows me. So anyway, hopefully it's not going to be a terribly ugly video. But what I want to share with you on today is about an email that I got from Aweber. I know that you all are used to me sharing information about email marketing using Traffic Wave. Well, Aweber is another email autoresponder that you can take advantage of to have your email marketing campaign set up. And so on today, what I want to share with you is for those of you who use Canva, this is going to be awesome, okay? Because Canva is the greatest tool there is that's free, okay, to create images, for your website, for videos, for your email marketing campaign. And now Aweber has it to where it is integrated within Aweber. So when you create your emails, you can also use Canva inside of it to create your images. Okay. And so one of the biggest challenges, how you doing, Joyce? One of the biggest challenges when it comes to marketing with small businesses is creating really beautiful custom images, okay? And then, because, you want nice images, but you don't want to break your budget. All right. And so by using Canva, which is a free tool, and then Aweber as well has where you can sign up with it for free. How about that? Like the commercial you see on TV, free, 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 free. Okay, so anyway, those two platforms, you can use those to promote your product or service to grow your brand, your reach, and revenue as you build, know, like, and trust with those who have subscribed to your email list. Okay, so of course, not only can you use Canva within Aweber, but you can also use Canva to create images for your website. Okay. And so in order for someone to want to, yes, Aweber, that's it. I'll put a link to Aweber for you. And so in order for you to have someone to even think about getting on your email list, they have to have run across you somewhere. And most of the time it's from your landing page on your website where you're saying, hey, I'm going to give you a free ebook. I'm going to give you a free, discount or free shipping. I'm an author, so I can actually say, hey, if you want a free copy of my Pray Without Ceasing book, I'll send it to you. You just pay for the shipping. Or I can say you buy the book and I'll give you free shipping. So however you choose to do that, but some kind of way, they're going to give you their name and email address to get that free book, okay? To get that free discount or whatever it is you have that you're offering. And so when they decide to give you the name and email address from your website, then it goes to your autoresponder. So if you're using Aweber, you're using Traffic Wave, you're using GetResponse, Content Contact, any of those, okay, they will get into your list. And of course, you have a welcome email. I shared with you all that, I believe, last week, how you have a welcome email, kind of letting them know, hey, thank you for signing up. Here's what I promised you. And also here's how you're going to be hearing from me here on out. Okay. And so that's the email they would initially get. But guess what? You can actually have like your logo created within Canva and put in and actually in your email that is sent out. You can have a picture, like say for instance, you may have gone to the mailbox to get your mail and you wasn't even thinking about pizza or chicken or crabs, but you get your mail and there's an image, okay? This big crab with the corn, the potatoes, and all this stuff. And so, yeah, now I'm thinking, shoot, I might want to eat that for dinner instead of what I have in the refrigerator. So the same thing with your email marketing. You can put an image in that email to have them to want to scroll and read your content, because statistics shows that when people see an image that has triggered something within them, something they've been desiring and wanting anyway, then they will actually go ahead on and read. Because if you see a picture of some item, whether it's food or clothing or what have you, you're going to scroll to see, okay, how much it costs, okay? Are they offering some kind of discount, or what's the deal? Just the bottom line, okay? And so the same thing can be done with Aweber as your email autoresponder, and using Canva to create your images within actual Aweber and on your website, okay? And so those are the things that I want to share with you today. Short, it's a short situation here, because on Wednesdays I was having problems. That's why I'm on my phone. For one, I was having a problem with my internet. You know how technology goes. So I'm on my phone, and this video isn't looking all that great, but hopefully the content, what I shared with you, was great, okay? So that you'll say, hey, okay, let me think about what images I can create to go into my email autoresponder, okay? Whether you choose to use Aweber or you already have something already, or a traffic wave, what have you, I'll put links to those so that you can actually go ahead on and get signed up. And then, you can go ahead and start creating your emails. And what I suggest you do is go ahead on and write out a welcome email, okay? If you don't have a freebie already, go ahead on and create that freebie. What is your product or service? And then you create a freebie around that product, okay? So say, for instance, like my my Pray Without Ceasing book. So say, for instance, with that as a freebie, I can create some 60-second prayers that someone can actually get for free, okay? So that when they say, okay, I want a week, 7 days worth of prayers for my business, that I want to pray every day so that I can be successful with my business, and so something like that. I'm just throwing this out, okay? And so then somebody's like, yeah, I want to know, the prayers that I can pray every day so that my business can be successful. So they'll give me their name and email address. So same thing with you. Go ahead on and create whatever that freebie is, and then also go ahead and create your welcome email, okay? And I have a template for that. So if you need anything, just put in the comment, and then I'll reach out to you and get those things to you that you need. All right. So I'm Terry B. Jones, coming to you again with another marketing strategy to grow your brand, your reach, and revenue. Have a great evening.